Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, and today I want to share the number one mistake that's keeping cleaning companies from winning contracts. And here it is: not knowing your numbers. Now, I see it all the time. People send out bids without fully understanding their labor costs, supply costs, overhead, or even what their profit margin should look like. And then what happens? They underbid. They win the job, but they can't make payroll, or worse, they lose the job because the proposal just didn't make sense. So when I first started out in this industry, I made those same mistakes. I thought landing the contract was all about being the cheapest, but the cheapest don't pay the bills. Cheap doesn't even grow your business. So what actually wins contracts is confidence, accuracy, and showing the client you know what you're doing. Now that's exactly what I teach cleaning companies to do. How to calculate their bids step by step. I just broke it all down in my recent Bidding Blueprint Masterclass. And if you missed it, don't worry. I got parts of the replay available for you. Now it's really long. We stayed for like over 3.5 hours, 3+ hours. So I'm not going to put the whole thing on there like that. I'll give you pieces. So if you're tired of sending out bids that don't get results and you're ready to stop leaving money on the table, this is your chance. Get your numbers right, win bigger contracts, and grow your business that you deserve. Stop playing small, y'all. It's your time. So I'll see you guys on the next video.